an outfit like the one in the movie Zootopia.
Aha!
DPD. Partnership is the cornerstone of success.
No, carrots! Whoa!
I've been alone too long. Gotta learn how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane till you showed up out of nowhere. Damn, now I got a halo. So keep up. I'm saying, but they praying I keep up. Don't let up on me. I know you're waiting so patiently. I've been on the way for long. Got everything into place. Only thing I'm missing though, seeing you face to face. Gotta tell you what you need to know. Tell you what you need to know. That you are all I want. That you are all I want. Please don't leave. Cause the time is running out and our lives are running out. Please don't leave. I'll explain and show you how for you. All day, got me going insane. I parlay every second when I go into your lane. I need more. Limitless space, I'm out of my reach. You're too perfect, girl, you fit every niche. I'm like, can you even be so cold? Yeah, can I be the one you hold? Cause I've been on the way for long. Got everything into place, yeah. Only thing I'm missing, no, is seeing you face to face. Gotta tell you what you need to know. Tell you what you need to know. That you are all I want. That you are all I want. Please don't leave. Cause the time is running out. Please don't throw it all away. I can see you standing there, so close. Oh baby, please don't leave. Cause the time is running out and the lives are running out.
Myria walks in with a shining smile. Fashion dreams glowing all the while. Friends beside her, everything feels right. Hand in hand we sparkle bright. Rain or sun, we're side by side. No matter what, we never hide. Trust in me and dream out loud. Together we can lift the cloud. Hey Myria and friends, we shine so bright. Sing it out.
intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. And your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Oh, do you want to escape with me? Do you want to escape with me?
What does Myria like? C.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I
My family will finally be able to come home.